Your windshield provides 45% of your car's crash protection. Here's what most shops won't tell you. That's right, nearly half of your vehicle's structural integrity in a front-end collision comes from that piece of glass. And in a rollover, it's up to 60%. Most drivers have no idea they're putting their lives at risk with poor quality repairs. When your windshield is damaged, where you get it fixed matters more than you think. Budget repair shops often use substandard materials that compromise visibility and weaken glass integrity. These cheaper fixes might save you money today, but they put you at serious risk tomorrow. Expert technicians use OEM quality materials and proper installation techniques that ensure your windshield will perform as designed in an accident. They also properly calibrate those advanced safety sensors built into modern windshields. The difference isn't just about looks, it's about whether your airbags deploy correctly and your roof stays intact during a rollover. Quality repairs actually save you money long-term by preventing further damage and avoiding repeated fixes. If you're in the Greater Toronto area, don't gamble with your safety. Visit inthegta.com for a carefully vetted list of the most trusted auto glass repair shops that won't cut corners with your life.